Acidity. It is a really common problem amongst the Indians. It can cause you heartburning sensations and can make you feel really uncomfortable. It can occur to you if you are overweight, obese, and if you are not following a strict diet. To reduce this acidity problem, it is very important that we make some changes in lifestyle, which is changing eating habits. Hence, I, Chef Ajinkya Nikam, welcome you all to Dr. Reddy Presents Acidity Free, Tension Free, where I am going to show you how to make a healthy green kiwi smoothie, which is high in proteins and less in carbs. And before we begin, please don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients mentioned on the screen so that you can refer it to it later on. I'm going to start with using a green apple here, which is a very good source of vitamin C and potassium. It's okay if you slice it medium, that's okay, because we are actually going to blend them, so don't worry about it. So now as you can see, my apples are properly sliced. Now I'm going to move on to kiwi. So here I take my kiwi, which is already de-skinned. Kiwi, again a beautiful source of vitamin C, and I'm going to cut cubes out of it. And my kiwis are nicely diced. Now let's move on to cucumber. We also want to dice cucumber here. You know a fact, cucumbers are super antioxidants and are very rich in vitamin K. In fact, they're 90% of water and 10% of fibers. Now let's move on towards de-skinning of the banana. And I'm going to de-skin it. And now we are going to cut roundels of the banana. And now the bananas are cut in roundels. Let's start with the blending of the smoothie. There goes my apples, a mix of kiwi, cucumbers and banana. Now I'm going to add some mint leaves, spinach leaves, a rich source of iron. Here I'm using baby spinach, lemon zest, some lemon juice. And last but not the least, the sweetener of this smoothie, honey. And here goes my last drop of honey, and we are all set to blend this. We're going to add some water here to blend this and let the process begin. And here my non-acidic kiwi green smoothie is perfectly ready. Now let's put it in the glass. And here I have my heated glass here ready for my smoothie. I'm going to add some ice cubes in it to make it super chilled. And now let's pour our smoothie. Wow, looks so delicious. Now I'm going to top it with a straw. And here goes in my straw. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, what do you have to do? You have to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. And for more details, you have to log on to www.acidityfree.com. This is Ajinkya Nikam signing off.